you personally? Well, I think it just reminds me that there's still
Now inside of Engagermate, and it's time.
just the relationship of unconditional love with animals and dogs especially. But it changes lives. We're in a world where we're at a tough spot.
Now inside of Engagermate, and it's time to show you the key features and the exact process that you will follow to get results in the next 60 seconds. Once logged in, simply add your Instagram account and select which functions you would like to perform. In this example, I select that I would like to like content and follow users 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Heading over to the settings tab, Engagermate allows me to both like content under a specific hashtag and follow users who have posted pictures under that hashtag. In this example, I want to follow users who are posting content in the luxury niche, as well as like content of people who play tennis. Engagermate also allows you to follow and like the most active followers of any page, even your competitors' followers. Simply add in a competitor, page, or keyword and select the relevant pages. Your Instagram account will then engage 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with the newest, most engaged followers of these pages and also the most engaged users of the content on that page. Engagermate is the only tool that allows you to engage with people based on location, both geographical locations like a city, town or suburb, and also establishments in these places. In this example, I want to engage with anyone who has been to the Bellagio Casino in Las Vegas. Engagermate will also like content of your current followers the moment they post it, showing that you not only care about wanting to gain new followers, but you are constantly caring about the current people that follow you, sending a notification to their phone every time you engage with a piece of their content. Engagermate also has a list of other key features like the ability to choose if you want to follow private users or not, the ability to unfollow users who do not follow you back, or the ability to unfollow absolutely everyone, the ability to unfollow users that Engagermate followed specifically versus who you have personally followed. Finally, Engagermate is the first software to allow you to stop interacting with business pages and only engage with people. This increases your potential of new customers dramatically. As a launch special, you'll also get the Engagermate Welcome module and Optimizer modules for free. This will allow you to automatically send 600 welcome messages into the inboxes of your brand new followers the moment they follow you, helping you convert them when they are the most interested in your business or page. With the Engagermate Optimizer module, Engagermate ensures you do not waste any follows or likes on irrelevant content or people, and actively optimizes who you engage with based on your new followers and likes from where they actually come from. Simply select a date range as you can see on the screen, select hashtags, accounts or places and hit search. Engagermate will pull how many pictures and accounts you followed in each area you've added, and then show you how many have come back and actually followed and engaged with you. This allows you to scrap the hashtags, profiles and places that are not converting and dedicate more daily engagement to tags, profiles and places that are providing a return on the investment. Finally, you can pull reports with one click, showing all the content you've engaged with over a selected range and see your daily growth on a live chart. This is perfect to track your own results and to provide to local clients. Thanks to Engagermate, it's that simple to set your Instagram on autopilot, engaging with your target market 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, growing your pages and your bank accounts along with it. There are many other features you get that you will see on this page here, but let's jump back to the studio and discuss how I'll double your money back if this does not get you results.
Agree with his assessment. Privately, the administration, frankly publicly, has been trying to insist that Americans have to look at this with a larger perspective. This is about a historic fight